I don't know why I wrote it. Just to give me the sense of motivation to do a little better with us. And I acknowledge the assistance of my two secretaries, the former Secretary to the Cabinet and the Secretary for Foreign Affairs, who assisted in the polishing up of the language. And tonight, Dave McTaylor, the Secretary General for the Pacific Forum Secretariat, requested for the poem because she was there in New York in 2016 when I read the poem. She was the first to come and get a copy of the poem. In Kiribati, we are good in categorizing professions and events. There are what we call professional poets. There are those who are amateurs, and there are those who are bush poets. I think I fall in this category. The title of the poem is My Frigate Bird. Cloaked in black, white, and fork-tailed, you are my beauty in the north. With your long and graceful wings, you are my inspiration in the center. As you speed across the deep, vast ocean, you are my sanctuary in the south. On a banner of blue, white, yellow, and red, you are sent beyond the waves and the sun rays. Now you struggle against storms and westerly winds to find food and nesting. But you will never live in haste, nor go in flight, for you are the fulcrum of the universe. Arise, my frigate bird, with valor and strength. Rise over the perilous tides from the east, and fly brave and proud on the currents of wind. For you are and always will be my transformation. Proud am I to be an Kiribati, my frigate bird, my liberty, my identity. Thank you. I never dreamt that I'll be a poet, or I am a poet.